Fresh from the romantic themed performance we have here sa backstage, Kakay, Patrick, and syempre Coach Angel.
Yes.
Coach, paano mo naman na-incorporate yung movie theme, yung The Notebook sa choreo na ginawa?
Honestly, it wasn't hard to incorporate the movie dun sa song also. Because the movie, it speaks about love and unconditional love. Something that is parang kumbaga until the end. And the song as well, it translates to that. Kaya when I got na I'll be having Patrick and Kakay for this episode, sabi ko, this one is very much perfect for them.
Something oozy with kilig.
Yes.
No? Ngayon kami dito, sobrang touch kami. Kamusta yun, guys? Is it your first time, like, kissing yung ganito kalapit?
Malapit ba?
Nagkapalit na kayo ng
Hindi
hininga
ko
nun
na
eh,
namin.
promise.
Hindi ko, ako din,
Hindi
parang
ko na
ano, emotional lang yung nagdadala talaga sa amin kanina. Pero, hindi ko first time yung ganun kasi, actually, parang may ginawa kaming project before na medyo ganun, na malapit lang mag-kiss. Pero,
Ikaw naman, Patrick.
This is my first time po na ganun kalapit.
Na-enjoy na.
Hoy!
But guys, bukod doon sa kissing part na yun, that's something new for you guys. May parts pa ba kayo nahirapan, na you needed more help from Coach Angel?
actually, nung ginagawa namin tong piece na to, ang dami namin, sobrang kailangan linisin. Talagang si Coach Angel sabi niya, ulit, balik kayo dito, linisin natin to. Kasi, lalong-lalo ako, there's, yung first rehearsal namin, sorry ako ng sorry sa kanilang dalawa, kasi paulit-ulit talaga kami na hindi ko alam yung sa part na dito. Yun, hindi ko siya makuha nung oras na yun. And sabi ko talaga, Coach, babawi ako. I-reviewin ko to sa bahay pag uwi ko. And yun.
Ang galing, ang galing. Congrats, Coach Angel!
Yes, congrats.